Hello everyone, this is episode 3 of my ballroom garland series. In the last video, I introduced the material used to make the ballroom garland and the first method to make the ballroom garland. And now, let's make the ballroom garland with the second method. Review the first ways to make the ballroom garland. Do you remember? We just tie the long ballroom, tie a knot, remember? And then direct step the ballroom. Like this. Remember? This is the first way to make the ballroom garland. The detail about how I make the ballroom garland with this way, click here for the old tutorial. And now on this video, we will make the ballroom garland by another way. Just a little bit change. Okay, let's wrap 2 of 2 ballroom together. 2 of them together. Look. Okay, let's wrap all of them. Okay, so I got a lot of 4 ballroom combination. Then let's use this material, this thread, to make the ballroom garland. Okay, take 1 ballroom set, tie the knot. Okay, and then the following procedure will be same. Just stack them together. If there's a small ballroom here, look, this small ballroom. Don't stack another small ballroom on the same place. We need to cross and tie them. Okay, I will show you after I finish the garland. Okay, after we complete it with the ballroom garland, at the end, just take a ballroom and tie with the thread will be okay. Cut the rest will be okay. Okay, we make 2 ballroom garland, 1 long, 1 short. Then I will tie it on the backdrop, 2 sides of the backdrop. The detail about how to DIY this backdrop, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. For your information, we accept customized Chiara backdrop. You can send me your inspirational picture or tell me your idea will be okay. Okay, now, in order to show you the detail about how to tie the ballroom to the backdrop, let's starting with the short garland. First of all, we can use this clip or this clip. Any clip could be hold it sturdy will be okay. And then tie a long ballroom on the clip. Tie at least 2 knots on the clip to make it sturdy. Just clip it on the backdrop. Look, put our garland in front of the backdrop. And then, look, take the ballroom, long ballroom, and then red to this side, and then look, the ballroom, and red. This is the long ballroom, and red on one of the ballroom. Red it several times. And then release the ballroom. You don't have to make any knot. Very sturdy. Okay, for this one, just take this long ballroom and red on the garland. Look, red on the garland. And then take one ballroom and red several times. Okay, release. We don't need to tie any knot. Let's check the effect. Look, the ballroom was tied on the backdrop, very sturdy. And then let's tie this long ballroom to this side of the backdrop. I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, look, completed with the ballroom garland. And then let's put some large ballroom. This ballroom is 18 inch. We blow the ballroom like this, tied with the small ballroom. And then we will put a ballroom on display. Since we make a ballroom on display, the next large ballroom will be on display. And then another ballroom we will put on display. Okay, putting on the large ballroom, we will use this rubber band. Look like this. Just cross this rubber band. Like this. If the rubber band not long enough, we can tie another rubber band also. And then we can put it on the ballroom. Look like this. Okay. So the large ballroom was completed. And then let's make the other two ballroom. I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, completed with the large ballroom put on the garland. When you put the large ballroom on the garland, try not to put them in a line. Just try your best to put them in different directions. The come out will be much more better. And now let's put on our 5-inch ballroom on the garland also. Put on the small garland. You can use this rubber band and then tie on the ballroom will be okay. You can put them by 2 of the ballroom, or you can wrap 2 ballroom to make a 4 ballroom set. Use the rubber band. And then put on the ballroom. That will be okay. But Actually, I'm strongly recommend to use this group. In fact, I already took a tutorial to show you how to use this group to stick the small ballroom on the garland. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. And for the last video, I will show you again in much more detail, maybe. Okay, anyway, let's just put it. Okay, look like this. Okay, I will show you the effect after I complete all of them. Okay, look, completed with the small ballroom attached to the garland. So, the ballroom garland was completed. For your information, if you want to use this ballroom cake to make the ballroom garland, one bed will be not enough. In front of you, I put a lot of additional ballroom on it. So you need to buy at least 2 bags of the cake. Maybe 3 bags will be better if your backdrop is large. And also, since I do not have the small ballroom for this gold color, so if you have them to put some small ballroom on this part, that will be better. Okay, let's go on and set up our pedestal and cake. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, completed. All the backdrop was set up. Let's check it in detail. Let's check the effect. From top and to the bottom. Look. And for your information, we accept customize the backdrop. And we supply the pedestal also. We don't supply the ballroom kit because we are looking for better quality of ballroom. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page for the quotation. And on the bottom, if we put more ballroom on the floor, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and don't skip the ad after supporting. Thank you for your watching. Bye.